shuts down and you can't drive anymore. It just dies on the road, which I don't understand how a car manufacturer could allow a car to die when you're driving down the road. It seems to me like that would be a hazard. And we do all these recalls on all these Jap cars, but we don't do any recalls on these Ford and Chevys and GM products. We make it we make the customer pay right through the asshole, and that's not right. We hold strict guidelines for all these foreign cars, these Jap cars coming into America, but we allow Chevy, GM, and Dodge to make nothing but junk, and they pass it on to the consumer, you and me. This truck's only got 100,000 miles on it, and it's not really in bad shape, and that's why I bought it, to tow my camper. I'm 70 years old. All I want to do is go camping, and this is what I got to do to go camping. I gotta work on something, a problem that Ford never should have allowed to happen. As far as I'm concerned, I've been an automotive engine rebuilder professional all my life, and some of the things that I've found out from working on these newer cars, this is a 2004, I just can't believe that these dealerships and these companies, GM, Ford, and Chevy, they're all like, they just pass it on to the consumer, and this isn't right. This is a bunch of bullshit. I shouldn't be spending $500 on a fuse box that's over $500 if you buy it from Ford. And I bought one that was reconditioned because I didn't want the same problem from Ford, because they are still building the same problems. So like, subscribe, thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment if you got something to say about this. I'd love to hear a Ford engineer tell me why they did this.